1. Understand the basics of design. 1. Learn about design principles like balance, contrast, alignment, proximity, and repetition. 2. Grasp the concepts of color theory, typography, and composition. 2. Simplify your designs. 1. Less is often more. 1. Strive for simplicity and avoid clutter. 2. Use clean lines, minimal color palettes, and clear typography. 3. Use hierarchy effectively. 1. Create visual hierarchy by using font sizes, weights, and colors to guide viewers' attention. 2. Ensure that the most important elements stand out and are easily noticeable. 4. Choose fonts wisely. 1. Select fonts that match the tone and purpose of your design. 2. Avoid using too many different fonts, stick to a consistent typography scheme. Use contrast thoughtfully. 1. Contrast helps elements stand out and improves readability. 2. Utilize contrast in color, size, and shape to create visual interest. 5. Utilize white space. 1. White space, or negative space, provides breathing room and enhances readability. 2. Avoid overcrowding your designs, let elements breathe. 6. Be mindful of color. 1. Choose a harmonious color palette that suits your design's mood and purpose. 2. Use color psychology to evoke specific emotions in your audience. Create consistency. 1. Maintain visual consistency throughout your design by using the same styles and elements. 2. Develop a design system or style guide for branding projects. 7. Experiment with layouts. 1. Try different layout options before finalizing your design. 2. Don't be afraid to break the grid for creative and unique compositions. 8. Pay attention to alignment. 1. Ensure that your elements are aligned properly to create a polished and organized look. 2. Use grids and guides to assist with alignment. 9. Consider accessibility. 1. Design with accessibility in mind, ensuring that your designs are readable and usable by all users, including those with disabilities. 10. Seek inspiration. 1. Explore design resources like Behance, Dribbble, and design books to find inspiration and stay updated on current trends. 11. Practice regularly. 1. Like any skill, practice is key. 1. Keep creating and experimenting to improve your design abilities. 12. Gather feedback. 1. Share your designs with peers or mentors to get constructive feedback and suggestions for improvement. 13. Stay updated. 1. Graphic design is an ever-evolving field. 1. Stay current with design trends, software updates, and new techniques.